And welcome back! Chos. So in today's video, I will be reviewing a Shawil product that I bought Sesame City. Yes, Shawil po. Ano po, hindi naman siya gonna get trending, pero let's try pa rin because it has caught my eye. Besides from being a good product, today I will be testing its wear test if it really is effective or not. So let's get started on the video! And welcome back! Yes. Charot. So, how about we start? So, in today's product, I will be reviewing this. It's from Shawil, their face primer. It hydrates skin. It's oil-free and long-lasting with pure primer makeup base. Long-lasting. So, we will try to find out in today's wear test. Of course, buksan natin siya para matingnan natin kung anong pagmumukha niya. Intriguing kasi. Eh, wow. Wait. So, Shabby! Tingnan mo. Oh. So, charot. Anyway, so ito siya. The packaging looks nice. It's crystal. Yes. So, it's crystal and I feel like it's going to be a good one. So, let's put this on our face and start our wear test. Okay? Okay. Update. Consistency wise, it's very watery. First applied. Pero tingnan natin if it's gonna turn sticky or not. It's very hydrating. And as it says, this is oil free. Tingnan nyo natin. Okay. Okay, may konting stickiness siya sa may sa texture. It feels good. It feels very hydrating and it's mattifying din. It's a little bit grippy but not so much compared to the e.l.f. Power Grip primer. Okay, may grip siya. Konting-konti lang. Just let it sit for few minutes para mag-set talaga siya. So today, I will be going sa city para pilhan ng zipper yung pants ng kapatid ko. Yes. Okay, may konting grip talaga siya. So anyway, ganun nga, punta ako sa city para bumili ng zipper para sa pantalon ng kapatid ko kasi aayusin ko siya. Yes. Gusto pa ulit, lagyan ulit ng konti pa. So conceal naman, parang very hydrating siya sa skin in fairness. Tapos ngayon medyo more grip siya. Then I added more. Okay. Grip test. Ito. Okay. Parang kumakapit siya ng konti. Ito. Wear test. Okay, this is promising. Now, we'll start our usual day-to-day routine and I will be right back. I'm back and the face is done, of course. So today, we only focus about the primer that I've been using. That I've used pala. Diyos. So ito nga siya ulit. Yes. As you can see naman, ang ganda ng lapat ng foundation sa mukha ko. Yes. Ang ganda nga. As in, super flawless yung canvas. But the real test would be, will it stay long? Puti na mukha ko, be. Sorry. Ibang foundation na ginamit ko. Yung binigay sa akin ng mother ko. So, anyway. So, yun nga. Will it stay long? Like, for at least a half a day. Will it? I will put this to the test since I'm going to the city today. And, you know naman, yung Pilipinas, mainit B. So, yan yung totoong test dito sa my Showwheel primer. So, to those who are interested to buy this one, this can be found. Wait now. This can be found at SM City. It can be found in SM City department store and it only retails for 275 pesos. So, is it worth it? Yes. Consistency-wise, the quality of the product, I mean, the packaging, it's giving rich. It's giving. Yeah, I know. It's giving. So yun nga, we will put this to the test today and I will update you later after I came home and I will give my final verdict and review for this Showwheel face primer. I will update you later. And hello. Just anyway, time check. It's 1:36. So it's time for a final check up on our makeup. Okay. Zoom in ng konti. Okay, may mga breakdowns na dito sa nose area. Okay, here and there. But damn, the makeup still looks good. And everything is still intact. Now, for the final verdict. It is a yes or a nar. The Showwheel makeup primer is finally a yes! It really is an amazing product. Nagandahan ako kasi isipin mo yun, I was filming the video for around 12 noon earlier and then I was going outside at sobrang init kanina sa city. My makeup was intact. Yes, intact siya, girl. Walang hula sa makeup. So it's super fresh, although my foundation is really white. Pero okay lang yun. Ano ba yun? Okay lang yun. Next time, I'll be using another skin tone naman eh. The overall review for this is 10 out of 10. Quality-wise, packaging-wise, effectiveness, 10 out of 10. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It crept my makeup for at least exactly 13 hours. See? Diba? Oh. 13 hours yun, be. Saan ka pa dyan? At the cost of 275 pesos only, that can also be accessible through SM supermarkets and some Watson stores. 10 out of 10 will recommend. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, follow me on my social medias, which is Laser71 on Instagram and Alyazer Pergale and Facebook, and on my Facebook page, Makeup by Alyazer. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!